Hi, and welcome back to my channel. This week I'll be on vacation, so I decided to go ahead and do something simple. I'm going to show you how I created these St. Patrick's Day inspired hairbands. I found these little green Pom Pom hairbands already pre-made at the Dollar Tree, so I'm just taking them out of their packaging and cutting the tags off. I also bought these gold coins with clovers on them, and I am taking a metal ice pick and heating up the tip of it to poke a hole through them. And with some green embroidery thread, I'm going to sew 2 coins onto each pom-pom. And with that little bit of time, it created a St. Patrick's Day inspired hair pom-pom. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you next week. Bye!